Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 17th to the 23rd, and this is going to be a very good week when you can get $1.99 per sill. Now, to keep the video nice and brief, we're not going to do matchups with these two boosters, but if you possibly have these two boosters, it's $17 back when you're spending $40 on Sunday, and that's a little something called magic. It's almost half back when you're spending $40, and there's lots of little deals to be had and found. Now, in case you missed it, I made a video a couple days back. This Saturday, the 16th, over at the Dollar General, this entire cart for like under $3. The math is mathing a lot, and you might want to check this video out. I'll link it at the very end. I mean, you can honestly put this in a little basket and call it somebody's Christmas gift. It is so amazing what's happening over at the Dollar General. And before we really get into the math, if you could please treat this video as a preview. On the 17th, which is Sunday, we're going to have the full ad with all the digital coupons. And I'm curious how many of you will be shopping on Sunday the 17th and Sunday the 24th, because that is getting really close to Christmas, especially that Sunday the 24th. If you will be out and about in the stores, leave a Santa Claus emoji in the comments and I'll know I need to make more videos. Okay, so the first deal that we're looking at is the Oscar Mayer bacon, 2 for $8. So that's $4 a pack. I mean, a couple weeks ago when it was BOGO free at $8.99, I'm like, start the car, but this is much better. So I would grab one of those with a $2 filler, maybe something Christmassy. And I would roll $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and call this a very good deal. And remember, you're doing this deal with no booster as you're using the Walgreens cash. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the Pepperidge Farm cookies. You can get the holiday ones if you don't want just like the regular schmegular ones. They are 2 for $7. We have this digital coupon, which is $1 off of 2. Make sure you have it loaded. And then IBOTTA is giving back $1 for when you buy 2, so you're going to get $1 back. So this is just a deal for some cheaper cookies. If you like to make baskets, it's just a staple to throw in there. So 2 of the cookies is $7. Subtracting your digital, you're going to pay $6. Photograph your receipt to the IBOTTA app for $1 back. The final price point here is $5 for the 2, or $2.50 per bag of cookies. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, and it's just a great thing, you know, a basket or a teacher's gift, an extra thing just to throw in for Christmas. The next little dealio is with the BOGO 50% off on these little like gift sets and stuff. This is SpongeBob, so cute. It's a holiday gift of the week. And we have a freebie now for the $3 dental care products. We have a 3 off 2 digital, $3 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of those Crest mouthwash, they're usually priced at $3 whenever this promotion comes across, so that's $6. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, making it free. If you're doing this with no booster, yes, you can use $3 in Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. Now, my favorite promotion with the Pantene, we're going to be looking for the $5 ones, and we're going to have a 5 off 3 digital coupon, $5 reward when you buy 3. So grabbing 3 of these for $15, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $10. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 5 for the 3, or $1.66 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, this deal is not as good as the Crest, but it's still a deal. We're going to grab 2 of the cheaper Colgate products for $9, so the 2 products at $4.50. We're going to have a 4 off 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. You'll pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, making it 2 for 2, or $1 per product. I mean, I love to get dental care stuff for free, but I mean, if you're in a pinch for something, or if Colgate's your favorite, possibly a deal for you. And let's remember, it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This is my favorite deal of the week. $5.99 for the Persil is usually upwards of $8, close to $9. We have a $2 digital coupon and then $1 reward in store when you buy this, like a register reward for $1 off, courtesy of Henkel, the company that owns Persil. Over on IBOTTA, there's another $1 back, so that's really fantastic. Hopefully it's still there Sunday morning. But looking at this deal with the IBOTTA rebate, one of these Persils for $5.99, subtracting that $2 digital, you'll pay $3.99 out of pocket, get back a $1 register reward. Photograph your receipt to my favorite app, IBOTTA. The final price point here is $1.99, and it is okay to use some Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But who doesn't like $1.99 Persil? I mean, this is a very cheap price point. Now, also, the detergent, buy 4 of these, get back a $5 register reward. I'm very curious if we're possibly going to get digital coupons to go with. I know there's a couple floating around for gain, like $1 off. But with the Tide, I would love to see $1.50 for all of them. So we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. With a booster, it would be a tremendous deal. Now, I think the best paper deal goes to Scott, which is BOGO 50% off. These products are $5 a pop, so for 2 of them, it's $7.50. I just think it's a really good balance to get some cheaper paper products. If you're entertaining or having company for the holidays, you need extra toilet paper, paper towel in the household. I think this is a very good deal, and I would absolutely use Walgreens cash if you might have it to spend on this offer, but it's an opportunity. $3.75, not the worst price for paper products. The Dawn also is $1.24, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $1 register reward. They've been floating this deal in and out since the end of summer, but grabbing 2 of these, it's $2.48, getting back that $1 register reward. It's $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. They're the smaller ones too, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The Gain dish soaps are also part of it, but good luck finding those. They're almost impossible. I don't think I've ever even seen one in a store. It's like a unicorn item. And we have the 4 for $10, the Bounce, Downy, Gain, or Tide Simply Laundry Care. So the lower tier detergent sold at Walgreens. 4 of the Tide Simplies, or you can mix and match. It's $10. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay the tax. If you're a newer couponer trying to build your stockpile, use the Walgreens cash for this deal. And we're doing this deal without a booster. Now, if you're hosting a big Christmas gathering, this is probably a deal you should do. 3 for $10.99 for the Canada Dry, that group of soft drinks, which is a very good price. However, it gets a lot better because we have a $1 digital coupon, $1 off of 3. So make sure you have this guy loaded. And the dealio is grabbing 3 of these for $10.99, subtracting that digital coupon. You're going to pay $9.99 for the 3. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, let's jump into some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to the buy 1 get 2 for free on the complete home trash bags. It's usually $4.79 for the first. It's a tremendous value, especially if you use a lot of these little baggies if you have pets. I certainly go through quite a few, so I'm delighted with this deal. The next one is a BOGO free on the Frosted Mini Wheats or the Pop Tarts. We're going to have to double, triple check as the week progresses. IBOTTA. I would love to see a rebate for that. It could possibly be a superb deal. And the Nexus. We have a lot of shampoo on clearance right now. It's like 50% or 40%. With that and a $6 digital, we possibly can make a deal happen. So we're going to have to wait and see with the 10 back when you spend 25. And the final one is the Vitafusion. I know we had some nice digital coupons. This potentially could be a very good deal with the BOGO 50% off for a Monday curbside video. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.